Jaipur, a city that beholds a million hearts, a city that's pleasing to the eyes and soul, a city immensely rich in history, heritage and culture. Well, in true terms, ये सिर्फ एक शहर ही नहीं, एक बेहद खूबसूरत महफिल है। ये अपने आप में एक ऐसी अनकही दास्तां है जिसकी खोज में एक बार डूब जाओ तो फिर दोबारा निकलने का मन ही नहीं करता है। Jaipur is one of the major metropolitan cities of India with a captivating touch of rich history and culture. Pink City, as named by Prince Charles, the city holds an enchanting beauty that will leave your eyes hooked to it forever. The city was established by Raja Jai Singh II in 1727. Today, we are gonna take you on an aesthetic ride of the captivating monuments of this city. By the end of this video, you will find yourself deeply mesmerized and fallen in love with our very own Jaipur. रंग बिरंगा है मेरा राजस्थान और जयपुर है उसकी शान। हमारे किले महल हमें याद दिलाते हैं आन बान शान के धनी हमारे राजाओं की और हमारे गरिमामय इतिहास की। अपनी विरासत पर नाज कर उठेंगे आप जब पहुंच जाएंगे आमेर फोर्ट के पास। Titled as UNESCO World Heritage Site, this fort is an exquisite amalgamation of Hindu and Mughal architecture. The construction of the fort was started by Raja Man Singh I in 1592. It was built on an elevated hill in order to protect it from the enemies in the ancient times. The fort is attached to a beautiful lake known as Mahota Lake and is surrounded by alluring gardens. Its main attractions are Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas, and is surrounded by Sheesh Mahal and the 4 grand doors reflecting the 4 seasons. Today, it's one of the main attractions for the tourists from all around the world. It's the first choice of all Bollywood movie directors when it comes to the historical movies. चल पड़े हैं हम यहाँ से अरावली की गोद में बने नाहरगढ़ और जयगढ़ फोर्ट के नज़ारे देखने। Built on the Aravali hills, these forts hold immense historical importance. Jaigarh houses the world's biggest cannon, Jaiban. Nahargarh Fort served as a formidable defense for the Jaipur against invading forces during the ancient times. Today, these forts are one of the major hubs for the youth of city, a perfect destination to catch the sunrise and the sunsets. अगर जयपुर की असली खूबसूरती देखनी हो ना तो बस कभी यहाँ पहुँच जाना और यहाँ से जयपुर का खूबसूरत नज़ारा देखना। जल महल, just like the name said, built in the center of the Mansagar Lake, this palace is an epitome of true architecture. The walls of the palace pose a beautiful contrast to the lake water and creates an unforgettable image in the viewer's eyes. Every evening you can find the city peeps having a quality time near the palace, but honestly, जल महल का सबसे खूबसूरत नज़ारा तो शहर के एकदम टॉप नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट से ही देखने को मिलता है, क्योंकि ऊपर से जब ये किला दिखता है ना तो पानी के बीच में इसकी एक अलग ही चमक होती है। जयपुर तो सदियों से राजाओं की विरासत रही है, तो क्या आप जानना चाहेंगे कि अब जयपुर का राजघराना कहाँ रहता है? सिटी पैलेस is the home to the ruling family of Jaipur. The last of the rulers of the city reside here. This palace is a fusion of rich Rajput and Mughal architecture with a touch of European beauty. It surrounds some really alluring structures such that of Chandra Mahal, Mukut Mahal and Mubarak Mahal. The Maharaja Savai Mansingh II Museum displays the real essence of rich heritage of the city. One can surely go on a ride to the old days when Jaipur was a princely state while taking a stroll around the museum. The Govind Dev Ji Mandir is right next to the palace. One can spend a serene and a peaceful evening here attending the Aarti. We bet you can't find something more peaceful than this. ज्ञान विज्ञान का अद्भुत है खजाना, जंतर मंतर का इतिहास है पुराना। तो चलिए अब आपको ले चलते हैं जयपुर के एक अद्भुत और विश्व भर में प्रसिद्ध स्थल जंतर मंतर की सैर पर। द यूनिक हेरिटेज साइट ऑफ जंतर मंतर वॉज बिल्ट इन 1734 बाय किंग सवाई मानसिंह। Well, as its name suggests, it quite literally means instrument for measuring the harmony of the heavens. This huge observatory was constructed to predict time and the movements of the planet. You would be amazed to know that this site has the world's largest sundial and is home to 19 different astronomical instruments that are also based on accurate geometry. No wonder it is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our ancestors surely had great minds constructing such an astounding structure that still functions even after the centuries was certainly an impeccable job. This observatory demonstrated the traditional methods of interpreting the stars and skies and was well ahead of its time. One can sense a feeling of pride and wonder while taking a spin around the Jantar Mantar. अब हम पहुंच गए हैं हवा महल, द बेस्ट आर्किटेक्चर विद द मार्वलस कंस्ट्रक्शन बीइंग द सिंबल ऑफ आवर ग्रेट हिस्ट्री. दिस पैलेस was built by Raja Savai Pratap Singh in 1799. It was a safe haven for the ladies of royal household to observe daily life without being noticed. Today, you can find people striking pose against the palace and clicking aesthetic shots. जयपुर का हिस्टोरिकल इम्पोर्टेंस तो देख ही लिया, अब जानिए जयपुर की स्पिरिचुअलिटी विद मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर इन बिरला मंदिर. जयपुर मॉन्यूमेंट्स में इसका एडिशन कंपैरेटिवली काफ़ी रीसेंट है. एज अ रिजल्ट इट हैज़ अ वेरी यूनिक एंड मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर. द टेम्पल वॉज कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन 1977 एंड इज adorned with gleaming white marbles and is constructed on an elevated hilltop alongside beautiful green parks. Its construction features 3 domes that represent the 3 various approaches to the religions. हर शाम यहाँ मानो जैसे एक मेला लगता है. You can see families and friends spending quality time here in peace and solace. शब्द भी कम पड़ जाए जब बात है मेरे जयपुर की आए. आमेर फोर्ट से लेकर सिसोदिया रानी का बाग हो या बिरला मंदिर से लेकर गायतोरे की छतरियाँ हो, no one can describe the actual beauty of Jaipur, as the magic of this city can be felt by heart and soul as we visit its heritage monuments, the mesmerizing palaces, the forts, which are not only the symbol of best architecture but also tells the story of grandeur and the royalty of Maharajas and Maharanis. The city has innumerable monuments that hold a deep historic and cultural value. तो आओ नहीं